We are pleased to show you the 2019 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.